Everyone, it's Tammy, and I am going to use this stamp set, which I was thinking I've seemed to misplace. And it's just a really cute stamp set. I don't even know who it's by. Maybe Mama Bear or Mama Elephant or something like that, but it's super cute, and it has a cute bear. I cut out two of them, and it has a cute little mouse and a raccoon, so all the critters that you know I love. And I thought I'd make a card, and I went ahead and got started with it just by putting some craft cardstock on the bottom and then some really cute designer paper on the top from a paper pack that I have in my stash. And I know that you guys like to watch me color sometimes, you've said, and you also like to watch me construct cards. So I'm just going to put this on fast forward and color it and get it assembled, and then I'll be back. So hopefully you guys like this. Thanks. Okay, so here is the completed card. It turned out really cute, I think. It says, "You are so loved," and then you open this up and there's a little mouse given a flower along with the raccoon with the balloon. And I just put some glossy accents on the balloon to kind of make it shine. It looks really cute. The only thing I wish I would have done for next time, I'm going to color this as well. I even thought about going in there and coloring just this part. Maybe I will. I think this is the blue that I used for the sky. So I'm just coloring it. Yeah, that's cute. And then I could have done this in the green, which would have been cute too, but I didn't, so it's okay. It'll be fine. I mean, it's a really cute card, and I think the recipient will like it. And then you just open it up, and there is just white on the inside. So really cute. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys like it. This is a slider that I purchased, and I wasn't even sure. I didn't remember how to do it, but I think I did it right. You get all these dies, and they're just awesome. I was going to show it to you, but I don't know where I put it. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.